Can your ears recover from temporary loud noise exposure? Imagine being at a concert or a loud party and feeling that muffled sound or ringing in your ears afterward. That's often a sign of a temporary change in hearing, known as a temporary threshold shift. This is a common response when your ears are exposed to loud sounds that temporarily overstimulate the tiny hair cells inside your cochlea, the part of your inner ear that helps convert sound into signals your brain understands. When these hair cells are overstimulated, your hearing sensitivity drops temporarily, leading to muffled sounds, ringing, or a feeling of fullness. The good news is that in many cases, your ears can recover from this. Usually, if the noise exposure isn't too intense or prolonged, hearing can return to normal within hours, days, or sometimes a few weeks. This recovery process is called a temporary threshold shift, and it's a sign that your ears are experiencing reversible fatigue rather than permanent damage. The timeline for recovery depends on how loud the noise was and how long you were exposed. Short bursts of loud noise might cause symptoms that clear up quickly, sometimes within minutes. Longer or more intense exposures might take days or even weeks for full recovery. Scientific studies suggest that if your hearing is to be fully restored, it's best to wait at least 3 weeks after exposure before assuming there's no lasting damage. Repeated loud noise exposures can cause more serious problems. If your ears experience multiple episodes of temporary threshold shift without enough rest in between, this can lead to permanent hearing loss. This happens because repeated overstimulation can damage or kill the delicate hair cells in the cochlea, which do not regenerate in humans. Over time, this damage accumulates, leading to a permanent reduction in hearing ability, known as a permanent threshold shift. To help your ears recover and protect your hearing, it's important to take practical steps. Rest your ears by avoiding loud sounds and giving them time to recover. Use earplugs or noise-canceling headphones in noisy environments to reduce exposure. Follow safe listening practices, such as the 60-60 rule, which means listening at no more than 60% volume for no longer than 60 minutes at a time. Avoid repeated loud noise exposure without giving your ears enough time to heal. Remember, hearing health is a long-term concern. If you experience persistent ringing, muffled hearing, or discomfort, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional who can assess your specific situation. While many cases of temporary threshold shift resolve on their own, repeated or severe noise exposure can lead to irreversible hearing loss. Protecting your hearing today helps ensure it stays healthy for years to come.